Okay, my dear students, basically modern load shedding. So again, I am going to discuss pronoun. Possessive case. My, mine, our, ours, your, yours, his, her, hers, their, theirs. These are these are cannot use only my or mine or our or ours. If you want to use this possessive case, after this possessive case you have to use noun. Without noun you can't eat. So now look, I like him. Here I personal pronoun, him also personal pronoun. Next, demonstrative pronoun. Serial number 2, demonstrative pronoun. What is demonstrative pronoun? The pronouns which points out some nouns instead of which they are called demonstrative pronoun. But what are they? They, these, that, those, such. These are demonstrative pronoun. These, that, those, such. These are demonstrative pronoun. Now look, this is my house. This is my house. Here this demonstrative pronoun. Next, very interesting. This house was made in 1977. This demonstrative pronoun. No, here this demonstrative, not demonstrative pronoun. But why? Now look, this is my house. Here this demonstrative pronoun, because after this is verb. So here this subject, this subject, and this is demonstrative pronoun. Next, this house was made in 1977. Here this house noun. Now look, here this not pronoun, here adjective, but why here adjective? After pronoun noun, this pronoun will be adjective. So here this not pronoun, because after this word noun house. So here this not pronoun, here this adjective. Okay. Next quotation, after pronoun plus noun equal adjective. That is, after pronoun, if after noun pronoun, the pronoun will be adjective. Okay. Next example, he was a doctor and we believed him to be as such. Here also demonstrative pronoun. Next, interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. What is interrogative pronoun? Interrogative pronoun, basically three interrogative pronoun: who, is, what. But instead of who, we can use whose or whom. If you make a question by who, is, or what, the word that is who, is, what, these are interrogative pronoun. Okay, now look, who came here yesterday? Here who, interrogative pronoun. Next, serial number B, who is your brother? Who is your brother? Who is? Here who is, interrogative pronoun. Next, which pen do you want? Here who is not pronoun, but why? Who is not pronoun? In previous time, who is your brother? Here who is interrogative pronoun, but serial number C, who is pen do you want? Who is pen do you want? Here who is not pronoun. Here who is adjective, but why who is adjective? Here after who is pen noun. So here who is not demonstrative pronoun. Sorry, demonstrative adjective. Sorry, who is not adjective. Here who is interrogative adjective. Here who is interrogative adjective. Now look, next, relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. What is relative pronoun? Relative pronouns that refers to some noun or pronoun mentioned before and at the same time join two sentences is called a relative pronoun. Basically, we have to use some conjunction, who, which, what, whom, whose. These are use or join two sentences. It is relative pronoun. The relative pronoun is that pronoun which refers to some noun or pronoun previously mentioned and the same time join two sentences. Now look, who, which, what, whose, whom, what, the same as, such as, but. When these word or conjunction we use at the middle of the sentences, middle of the sentence, or connect two sentences by who, which, what, whose, whom, that. These are relative pronoun. Now look, do you know who came here yesterday? Do you know who came here yesterday? Now look, here who, relative pronoun. But in previous time, who came here yesterday? Now look, who came here yesterday? Here who, interrogative pronoun. But here who, not interrogative pronoun, because do you know and who came here yesterday. Now look, do you know and who came here yesterday? There are two sentences. There are two sentences, not two sentences, to close. Use or connect or links by who. So here who, not relative, not interrogative pronoun. Here who, relative pronoun. Next, I bought what he made. Here what, relative pronoun. Next, this is the girl who lost her bag. Here who, not interrogative pronoun. Here who, relative pronoun, because by who there are two clauses are connect by who. So here who, relative pronoun. Relate, here are relate by two sentences, relate by who. Here who, not interrogative pronoun. Here who, relative pronoun. Same, there is no rose but has thorn. Here but, relative pronoun. This is the same pen as I want. Here, same as this is relative pronoun. Next, indefinite pronoun. Now look serial number 5 and indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. What is indefinite pronoun? Indefinite pronoun refers to people or things without saying exactly who or what they are. Basically, some, many, any, they, none, several, or both, one, other, another, few, every. These are indefinite pronoun. These are not definite. So these are indefinite. But why not indefinite or definite? Indefinite or definite. Indefinite, not exact, not exact, but the exact, the word which is exact, or the noun which is exact, that is the pronoun is that exact, that is definite pronoun. But the word or pronoun is not exact, that is indefinite pronoun. Now look, some, some. Here not definite, indefinite. These are some, many, any, they, none, several, all, both, one, other, another, few, every. These are indefinite pronoun. Now look, he says that Mr. John is a poet. Here, he, not indefinite pronoun. Now look, everyone says that Mr. John is a poet. Here, everyone is indefinite pronoun. But he, not indefinite pronoun. But everyone, here, indefinite pronoun. Same. Now look, serial number A. Some say that Mr. John is a poet. Many saw the accident. Any of them will go to the Cox's Bazar. Same, anybody, somebody, and so on. None can do this work. They saw that Allah is Almighty. Both of them are honest. I have bought a pen, a book, a pencil, and other things. Many are called, but few are chosen. These are indefinite pronoun. Now, distributive pronoun. The distributive pronoun. What is distributive pronoun? The pronoun that separates one person or thing from a population or parts of person or things is called the distributive pronoun. Is, every, either, or, either, or, neither, nor. These are distributive pronoun. Now look, is has a pen. Is has a pen. Here is distributive pronoun. Next, everybody wishes to be happy. Everybody wishes to be happy. Here everybody distributive pronoun. Next, neither Karim nor Rohim has done the work. Here neither nor distributive pronoun. Is, either of the two boys is talent. Here either nor is distributive pronoun. But very interesting. Now look, is boy has a pen. Is has a pen or is boy has a pen. What is the difference? Here is, both of is are distributive pronoun. No, first is distributive pronoun. Is has a pen. Here is distributive pronoun. But is boy has a pen. Here is not distributive pronoun. Here is distributive adjective. But why here distributive adjective? Now look, after pronoun, in previous time I told you, after pronoun, the pronoun, after pronoun noun, the pronoun will be adjective. Here is distributive, distributive pronoun, boy noun. So here is not pronoun. Here is adjective. So here is distributive adjective. Okay, my dear students, have you understood? Next, relative and emphasis pronoun, emphatic pronouns. A reflexive pronoun is used when the subject and object refer to the same person or thing. A reflexive pronoun is one used in the objective case in which the meaning of the subject is reflected, indicating that the action of the sentence turned back to the subject. That is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun uses as an objective case. As an objective case always. Now look, myself, himself, herself, oneself, itself, themselves, ourself, or added self or self. These are reflexive pronoun. But sometimes these are reflexive and some are emphatic pronoun. But when reflexive and emphatic pronoun. Now look, he killed himself. Here himself reflected subject he, but he looked at herself. Here herself reflected she. We did it by ourselves, but here are different. Now same. I myself completed the work. Here empathetic pronoun. But why here empathetic pronoun? Or he killed himself. Here himself. Why reflexive pronoun? Serial number D. Here myself reflected or forced I and the work. That is subject and object. Subject and object. When subject and object reflected or forced, that the pronoun will be emphatic pronoun. Okay. Next, reflexive reciprocal pronoun. Basically, reciprocal pronoun each other or an another. These are reciprocal pronoun. Now look, the two sisters help each other. Here two sisters help each other. Here each other reciprocal pronoun. Same, the 10 students help one another. Here one another reciprocal. My dear students, again I am going to highlight pronoun. Pronoun, 8 kinds of pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. Here, instead of male number, that is Kamal, Jamal, Joy, Hassan, you have to use pronoun he. But female number, that is Bina, Rina, Shina, all over the world, or any kinds of female number, you have to pronoun she. But anything or singular number we have to write it, but plural number we have to write pronoun they. 8 kind of pronoun: personal pronoun: I, we, you, they, she, he, it. These are personal pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun: these, that, those, such. These are demonstrative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun: who, which, what, whom, whose, whom. These are interrogative pronoun. Relative pronoun: same, who, which, what, whom, whose, that, the same as, such as, but. These are relative pronoun. Indefinite pronoun: some, many, any, they, none, several, all, both, one, another, a few, every. These are indefinite pronoun. Next, distributive pronoun or serial number 6. Distributive pronoun: is, every, either, or, neither, nor. These are distributive pronoun. Next, reflexive or emphatic pronouns: himself, themself, myself, herself, are added self or self. These are reflexive pronoun. Next, reciprocal pronoun: each other or and another. These are reciprocal pronoun. Okay, my dear student, here are in. Thank you, my dear students. God bless you.